Hi, how are you? I hope that are you having a great day. Today we are going to learn a new topic, the present continuous. So I ask that please pay attention. So because if you pay attention, you can learn. So if you have any question, students, please just the hands up. And so let's begin. Well, now I will show you some pictures. Um, and you must me no or better, you can describe that the action that the person is doing. It can be in Spanish or English that you prefer. That you prefer. So let's begin. Well, the present continues. Okay. Please wait a minute. Okay. Describe what you are seeing. Well, for example, I can see I can see that this person is hurry up hurry up because maybe it's go a late that you in your work maybe. Well, in the second picture somebody wanna participar. ¿Alguien quiere participar? Muy bien, Juan, qué bueno que quieras participar. ¿Puedes describirme? Can you describe in English or in Spanish? How you prefer? Well, Juan say that this person is read a book. Well, yes, is correct, Juan. So, the fourth picture describe. Well, this is interesante. Esta picture is interesante because how I can always say um this person is these people is doing many actions. For example, Tom Tom is ¿qué está haciendo? Como podemos ver, está cantando. Entonces está. ¿Alguien sabe cuál es el verbo de cantar en inglés? Muy bien, correcto, es sing. Ok, ahora alguien quiere participar diciéndome las acciones de algunas personas. Muy bien, gracias Ana por participar. Ajá, Ana dijo que Eve está viendo bailar quizás a Lucy. So, to finally describe what are you seeing, this dog is. ¿Qué está haciendo el perrito? Yes, es correcto, Luis. This dog is listening to music. So, what is the present continuous, students? Well, the present continuous is the here and now. Es aquí y ahora, ¿ok? Dice que el presente continuo es aquí y ahora. Unlike other conjunctions, the types of the present in English, this is es más, este tiempo es de verdad demasiado fácil. Is often confused with a present simple. Aquí dice que a veces solemos confundir el presente continuo con el presente simple. Ok, más adelante vamos a ver la estructura. The structure, so the present continuous is very simple and easy. Really is easy. Is the subject, I, you, he, she, we, plus the verb to be, I am, are, is. Plus the verb eating, the ing. This is important. So this is some verbs we in present continuous: talking, eating, drinking. In blue, in the color blue, is the verb the normal, and in the part in red, this part in red is with the present continuous. For example, talking, the verb normal is talk, que es hablar, okay? When us to add the ing is talking y es hablando, o sea, ya no es hablar, es hablando, talking. The second is eating, and yeah. Well, questions, kids. Anna, please help me. What is the present continuous? Correct. Es correcto, Ana. Please, Jose, help me. What are you to the basic elements to the able to correctly form the present continuous? Yes, is the verb to be and the verb, but in ing. When is this used? Omar, ayúdame. Please help me. Well, so now the structure. This is the structure, so please pay attention of the present continuous. The structure of the present continuous is very simple. Yeah. Well, let's see when we use the present continuous. One is that describe what is happening here and now. For example, my mom is cooking a dessert for Christmas Eve. Ahí dice mi mamá está cocinando un postre para Navidad. Ok, vemos que la acción que está haciendo la mamá está pasando en ese momento. Ella lo está narrando, puede ser la hija que lo está escribiendo, because say my mom. So this is my mom is cooking a dessert for Christmas Eve. Now the two is talk about the something that is happening now, but not necessarily right now. Dice que es para escribir algo que está pasando, pero no necesariamente es como en este momento. For example, Alex is a student to get a driver license. Alex está estudiando para conseguir su prueba de licencia. Okay. To the third is talk about the temporary situation on emitting plants. Well, the present continuous have the mood affirmative, the negative, and the interrogative. This is the form. Bien, ya les expliqué la manera afirmativa, negativa y interrogativa. Así que ustedes ya saben cómo formarlo cuando quieran decir oraciones en manera negativa, de manera interrogativa y de manera afirmativa. Okay, students, so now I go to show some pictures of actions with the sentence, and the rules is follows. If the sentence is not correct, according the picture, then you must remind that. If everything is correct, you can must stand. So let's begin. Bien, como podemos ver, well, how we can see, this is he is do his work. Is correct or is incorrect? Because why is incorrect, Anna? Yes, it's incorrect because we don't have a doing, el ing, because it's in, él está en ese momento haciendo su tarea y con el verbo do diría hacer tarea. Entonces, es necesario que lleve el ing, para que diga he's doing his work, para que diga que él está haciendo su tarea. Ok, vamos con la segunda. Dice, the friends are listening when you give my bag, my girl. This is a song. Well, is correct or incorrect? Yeah, it's incorrect because these girls don't listen in a music. She they are singing